Good morning, dear students. Here we will continue our chapter tenses. So today we will discuss about past continuous tense. Here we use past continuous tense to talk about something which was in the middle of happening at a past time. You know, that means the past continuous tense is used to describe something which was in the middle of happening at the past time, means in the past time or at the past time, which happened in the middle of the happening, means the action which happened in the middle of the happening. In that case, to describe that thing we use past continuous tense. Here you can understand through this conversation how we describe the thing in the middle of the happening in the past time. I phoned you at 7:45 this morning and there was no answer. What were you doing? So at 7:45 in the morning when I phoned you, there was no answer, means you didn't reply. Then at that time when I phoned you in the middle of phone, what were you doing? The answer is I was having a bath. So at that time when you phoned in the middle of happening. So what is in the middle of happening? When I phoned you, at that time I was having a bath. When you phoned me, at that time I was having a bath. That's why there was no reply, there was no answer. So what is the middle of the happening? When I phoned you, at that time there was no reply. Okay, here the past continuous tense is often used with the simple past. With the simple past sentence, past continuous tense is used, and it shows that the action was continuing. Past continuous tense is showing that the action was in continuing at the time when a new shorter action happened. Okay, and the simple past is used for the new action. Here, past continuing at the time when a new shorter action happened. Okay, past continuous tense is used when a new shorter action happened, and for that new shorter action we use simple past tense. So what is the sentence? The TV screen went blank. The TV screen went blank when I was watching the news. So here when I was watching the news, that is the past continuous, and the TV screen went blank, that is the simple past. That is used, that simple past is used for a shorter action. Okay, in second sentence, so at that time, okay, when I was watching the news, the TV screen went blank. So this is the shorter action, the TV screen went blank, and that continuous action, I was watching the news. Second sentence, the tire burst. The tire burst when he was turning a corner. Okay, so when he was turning a corner, that is the continuous action, and the shorter action which happened in the middle of that continuous action, that is the tire burst. And the tire burst, it is past simple past tense, and he was turning a corner, that is the past continuous tense. Dear students, it's exercise 6 of this tense present continuous. So in this exercise, put the verbs in brackets into the simple past or past continuous tense. You have to use simple past or past continuous tense to complete the following sentences. To complete these sentences, you have to use simple past or past continuous tense. Use both the tenses in each sentence. You have to use both the tense, simple past and past continuous tense. So here the sentence is given, it rained when we come out. So the sentence will be, we have to use simple past as well as past continuous tense. So it rained when we come out. So the sentence will be, it was raining. It was raining when we came out. It was raining when we came out. So it was raining, that is the past continuous tense, and when we came out, that is the simple past. Second sentence, she cut her finger while she peeled potatoes. So she cut her finger while she was peeling potatoes. She cut her finger. This is the simple past. Cut, all the forms will be cut. And while she was peeling. So while she was peeling, this is the past continuous tense. Third sentence, I have a shawl when the phone rings. So the sentence will be, I was having a shower when the phone rang. I was having a shower. This is the past continuous. When the phone rang, ring rang, rung. So when the phone rang, this is the simple past, and I was having a shower. This is the past continuous. In fourth sentence, he bite his finger when he had his lunch. So the sentence will be, he bit his finger. So he bit his finger. This is the simple past. All the forms of bite, bit, biting. So bit is the past form of the bite. So this is simple past. He bit his finger, and when he was having his lunch, he was having his lunch. This is the past continuous. In the last sentence, we go down in the lift when suddenly it stopped. Okay, the sentence will be, we were going down in the lift. So we were going down in the lift. This is the past continuous. When suddenly it stopped. So when suddenly it stopped. So this is the it stopped. That is the past simple past sentence. So in this way, in this exercise, you have to use simple past as well as past continuous to complete this exercise. Okay, thanks.